Hello and welcome to our tutorial on Sumo Logic's NextGen apps. This tutorial will explain what NextGen apps are in Sumo Logic and why our customers are encouraged to prefer them over our classic apps. The video will further demonstrate how to install a NextGen app and upgrade or uninstall the installed app. Sumo Logic's next generation apps introduce new features that were previously unavailable within classic apps. NextGen apps simplify app management and maintenance and are available within a new section of the applications catalog. The key features of the NextGen app include role-based access controls, easy identification of installed apps, notification for upgrading the app, upgrading an installed app, uninstalling and removing an installed app. Role-based access controls. These controls ensure that only authorized individuals within your organization can install, uninstall, or update apps. To perform these actions, you must be a member of the default administrator role or have the Manage Apps role capability. Easy identification of installed apps. To identify which apps have been installed within your org, NextGen app icons will display a badge indicating their installed status. Sumo Logic provides an Installed Apps filter within the filter list on the left of the page. Notification for upgrading the app. When an update to an installed app becomes available, new apps will provide a badge indicating an upgrade is available. An upgrade can then be applied with a simple click within the app catalog. Upgrading an installed app. To support the ability to upgrade and to make app content easier to locate, app content will be installed into a shared Install Apps folder of the library. To support the ability to upgrade and to make sure upgrades do not overwrite any customizations you may apply, the content installed by an app is immutable. If you wish to customize the content, you will need to first make a custom copy of the content. Uninstalling or removing an installed app. Installed apps can be uninstalled and removed through the app catalog, making it easy to clean up apps you no longer use. Additional filter options make it easy to find your installed or upgradable apps. Though there are NextGen apps that use installed collectors or hosted sources, most of the NextGen apps are designed to help you get started using the Sumo Logic distribution of the OpenTelemetry agent. Classic apps, on the other hand, send data through our installed collector and hosted sources. A notification to upgrade apps will be available in the NextGen apps. Only the admin role or the roles with the Manage Apps capability can install, upgrade, and uninstall NextGen apps. There is no role-based access to the classic apps. To access the app catalog, in the left navigation bar of the Sumo UI, click App Catalog. The NextGen Apps section includes updated apps that take advantage of the most recent and advanced Sumo functionality, including apps for OpenTelemetry. The Sumo Logic OpenTelemetry, or OTel collector, provides a single unified agent to send logs, metrics, traces, and metadata for observability to Sumo Logic. The Sumo Logic OTel collector provides unique flexibility and scalability with open source industry support. Let's install a NextGen app named Apache OpenTelemetry. To install the app, first log into the Sumo Logic UI. Click App Catalog. Then select NextGen Apps. In the search box, search for Apache. From the list of available apps displayed, select the Apache OpenTelemetry app. Then click Install App. Note that to install this app, you must be an account administrator or a user with the Manage Apps role capability. You can choose to add a new collector or add source to the existing collector. Or you can skip the setup and directly install the app. For this demo, we'll select Skip Setup and Install App. Click Next. The content is installed. It will take a few moments for dashboards to fill with data. You can explore the Apache dashboards installed by default. Click View App Details. Here, you can explore the various dashboards installed through the app. Click View Content in Library to explore the content installed in the app. Add Collector is also an option here in case you want to add the data collector and add the source. Note the installed label is added to the app screen. To remove the installed app from the library, click Uninstall. By uninstalling the app, the system will delete dashboards and folders. However, note that any content that was copied from the installed app will not be removed with the uninstall. Also, the collectors and data collected as part of the app will not be uninstalled with the app and will remain in the Collections page. Click Uninstall to confirm that you want to remove the app. The app is removed and you'll be navigated back to the Install App page. Note that in due course, all existing classic apps will be converted to the NextGen framework and will continue to provide support for these collection methods. Hope the video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.